If you do so many trips, it's always advised to bring with you a camera. But if we take photos in a daily life, we certainly couldn't carry with us a professional camera. So I decided to choose for these lenses for smartphone. I decided to buy these lenses to bring them with me if I should take pictures and I only have my smartphone. The quality will not be comparable to professional cameras, but surely these accessories will improve the photographic experience of mobile phones. In the packaging we can find a bag for carrying and protecting our lenses and an instruction manual to understand how to mount all the lenses. In the bag we can find all of 10 lenses with the support. We have 10 types of lens. There is 9 types because wide angle and macro is only one. This is macro lens that zoom by 15 times. If we swipe on a 0.63 wide angle lens, we can zoom out the camera. A fisheye lens with 198 degrees and it is an extremely wide angle. A telephoto lens that zooms by 2 times, CPL filter lens that saturate colors and control the reflexes, a flow filter lens which allows you to make moving photos, radial filter lens that point out the subject in close-up, a kaleidoscope lens that produces 3 images, a kaleidoscope lens that produces 6 images, and a star filter lens. And now I will test all these lenses and make some photos.